Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to connect your phone to an ASUS VivoBook 15 laptop. First, turn on your ASUS VivoBook 15 and sign into Windows. Make sure your phone is charged and unlocked. The easiest way to connect a phone is with a USB cable. Take the charging cable that came with your phone and plug one end into the phone and the other end into a USB port on the laptop. When you connect an Android phone, look at your phone screen. A message will appear asking how you want to use the USB connection. Tap the option for File Transfer or Data Transfer. On the laptop, open File Explorer. You will see your phone listed under Devices. Click on it to access photos, videos, and files. Another way to connect your phone is using Bluetooth. On your ASUS VivoBook 15, click the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Bluetooth and Devices and turn Bluetooth on. Now on your phone, open Settings and turn on Bluetooth. Make sure the phone is visible. On the laptop, click Add Device and choose Bluetooth. Select your phone from the list and confirm the pairing code on both devices. Once connected, you can send small files and use basic features. For a better experience, you can use the Phone Link app built into Windows. Open the Start menu and search for Phone Link. Open the app and choose Android or iPhone. Follow the instructions on the screen. For Android, you will install a companion app on your phone and sign in with your Microsoft account. This allows you to see notifications, messages, photos, and even make calls from your laptop. Now your phone is connected to your ASUS VivoBook 15 and ready to use. Thanks for watching.